Hello, trading is closed on March the 6th, 2019. We'll go over our calls. We had a target of 27.8483. I thought it would print and a lot more downside would print, and that's what happened. This was the pattern with the early high, and tomorrow's pattern is the one with the early low. It doesn't mean you won't gap up first. We have mixed signals, and the commonest thing for tomorrow is we gap and promptly trade outside the day's range. During the day, MEJT gave a few signals. In the afternoon, here was an ultimate buy signal and MEJT plus 3 buy signal. Both worked, and system said it was a false move. Price would retrace, and they did. We got the MEJT sell from the morning satisfied, but this drop is said to be false, and the retracement doesn't meet the criteria, so we still have a target. Also says ultimately higher prices will print. So we have mixed signals. What's positive is these higher targets. But let's not forget, if this is a major change in trend, MEJT almost always leaves a failed target, and if it doesn't leave one, you suspect you're not seeing a major change in trend. The other positive thing is we dropped all day, couldn't take out any of these lows. It's a positive sign as well, unless we invalidate it by gapping and promptly taking out these lows, which has already happened in futures, which doesn't count, but it's already happened. What's negative about the pattern is just as this pattern almost always closes at the day's high and is trouble if it doesn't. Trouble usually means going under this low. This pattern almost always closes at the day's high, and it's trouble if that doesn't happen. Again, it's invalidated if you take out today's high, and preferably this high. So, we have mixed signals. Commonest thing is we gap and promptly trade outside the range. Next most common is we close, little change, have the big move on Friday. Here's where I think we are in the count. I think that's A. This is probably purple A. It could be blue B. It could be either at this point. But I'm looking for more of a consolidation than a collapse here. I don't think really weak enough for a collapse, although I think it'll happen later in the year. Undercutting this low really should be enough to seal the top and make the DeMark indicators work. I'm hoping that'll happen. We'll have to see how we open. So we have higher targets for tomorrow, but we have everything else signaling lower prices. Commonest thing is we gap outside the range, pattern with the early low. If this falls, it should really confirm that the top of the leg was seen on Monday. And that's today's call.